Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to discuss GOTY FNF Roblox. So if you are curious to know about the details, as if you are one of the online game lover, so you should watch this video. We are going to share the details of a GOTY FNF Roblox. It is a screen demon, and FNF actually stands for Friday Night Funky. He is a new character, a GOTY. It is a mod of for FNF. It is a new track for players on the Roblox platform. It stood for Internet Guy and was named GOTY, which is added in the mod. Sugar Ray creates it. It appears in Friday Night Funky as mod. Let's check out the physical description of a GOTY FNF Roblox. It is actually 19 years age. He is screen demon. He has a scary figure. He wears a black mask. Hair length as till shoulder, a red sweater and a black pant. There are two icons, normal and angry. In this mode, the players can get energetic songs. These songs will help to succeed and pass the mission easily. The various rhythm consist of screenplay, parasites and a GOTY. There are difficult levels like knob, easy, normal, expert. Perfection and rhythms are the objectives of the games. Many changes have been observed, including soundtrack, animations, endless and marathon modes. The Friday Night Funk is a popular rhythm game. There are actually three modes that include a story, endless combat, free play. The players can select any of the battle. Everywhere has several features and it can bring a twist to your game. The players need to do battle with an opponent to earn points. So there is an update that Demon GOTY has been removed from Roblox platform. This incident took place recently, and GOTY FNF Roblox fans are saddened and are not maintained by the developers. The character GOTY is well known as an internet guy and he hosts tracks for the players. It is observed that they removed the GOTY mod because of comment the drama around the author, so developer decided to keep their distance from mode. We found mixed reviews on trending pages. A few players express it is a good part to replace a GOTY. Few of them will miss the character GOTY. He is still my favorite mod. So we can say that as we have discussed the reason for the removal of a GOTY from the platform, the news is around the players, and because of the author's mistake and drama, the GOTY mod has to face situation as the players from United States are disappointed with the news and looking forward for the new mode. And so please do share your experience regarding this and we love to hear from you.